This is probably a bad idea, but YOLO! Yep, definitely fighting near me.
Oh shoot, I almost killed you, baby.
Okay.
Fine.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Oh no, he's good! He spotted me! He spotted me! Ah! I am surrounded. I am surrounded. Holy crap!
238.
No, 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 no. No, no, come on!
Brian, get on your feet.
I'm dying.
Brian, stop dying.
Okay, close the door. Close the door.
Parents getting you what's going on.
I don't have a weapon. Oh, finally, now I do.
Dang, it's not us.
Are you kidding me? I lag and this is what happens to me.
I lag and this is what happens?
Yes. Oh no. He's right here. He's right next to you, Jack.
Oh, I can see you. I can see it, Brian.
Alright. Oh my goodness. Oh my
Jack,
goodness.
there's one left. Jack, one left.
One left. There's one left.
Where is he?
He's right. He's outside. Okay.
Jack, go by his teammates.
Oh, no.
Jack, under.
Brian, get him. Get him.
I don't have any ammo!
Me?
Alright, James, James, you're the jump master this time, right? Okay.
No.
Okay, where are we going? Point the way, guys. Point the way. Where are we going?
I don't know, Brian, you chick.
Okay, I guess we're going for that. Wait, I
It's
think
just us.
we're the only ones on the ship. Woo!
Downstairs.
Finally, things are going well for us.
Brian, don't say that. Wait, return to the battlefield?
I know, me too, I got it too.
Get down, get down.
Wait. Oh yeah, because we're not.
Wait, am I dying? Wait, no.
Whee! And he sticks the landing.
This game is winnable.
This game's not winnable.
Now, because you said that, James, we're gonna lose.
Alright, now that you said that, everyone's demoralized, Brian.
You're the reason our team is demoralized, James.
Got him!
Oh.
Oh,
Yes.
You're really demoralizing me right now, Brian.
Hey, Brian, come on. Flank him, flank him.
Brian, help me, Brian, help me.
Haha.
Right over here, Brian, over here.
There.
He's dead, one guy's dead.
Boom! He's dead, he's dead, he's dead. We got him, guys. Woo! We're so good at this game.
Yeah, that was very sarcastic, I don't know.
You're sarcastic, Brian. I think there should be one more person.
I
I think
killed
there's like one
two.
more guy. Oh, he's right there.
Oh, where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Right.
Where is he? Oh. Get him!
And out.
Knocked one. Knocked one.
That's embarrassing.
Hey, he's right, Brian, help.
I'm reloading. Nice! Woo!
Wait, there's more.
Oh, got rid of his shield. Got rid of his shield.
It's just one more, right?
No. There's another squad. There's another squad.
I think we guys need to retreat. Retreat,
Okay.
retreat.
Where?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm going through the tunnel, I'm going through the tunnel.
Oh. What the? What?
What the?
We got
Ah! There was another squad?
Leave him,
Yeah,
leave him.
I ran into the
I thought I already equipped my. Oh no.
Oh no.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I don't like where this is going.
Die! Come on! Come on!
Are you kidding me?
James, if only you didn't demoralize the team, we could have won.
What? You're really blaming me right now, huh?
Yes, you gave the comment earlier saying, you're demoralizing the team, Brian. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for the encouragement. Because of your negativity, we lost the game.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
Come on, let's do this, cowboys and cowgirls.
Dallas Cowboys?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, there's a guy on me. You wanna help me?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Come on. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. There's another guy. There's another guy. Punch him to death. Punch him to death. Punch him to death. Come on. Punch him to death. Punch him to death. No.
Who chose that spot?
Jack did.
What?
You pinged that spot. You pinged that.
Brian, why
You pinged that spot, Jack.
You betrayed me. You just betrayed my trust.
I wanted to see who would you call out, Brian? I got a good feeling we're gonna win this round, guys.
Same.
Yes. This is the match. As long as we believe in each other, we can win this. Close the door behind you.
Close the door on me! Brian, who you bringing to prom, Brian?
Myself. I don't plan on going with anyone.
Oh, okay. Jack, are you going?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, you.
I don't know. I haven't submitted my deposit. I haven't submitted my money.
Why not?
I have my money. I just don't know if I want to like give it to them.
What are they gonna do with it?
They're gonna take it and never give it back to me.
Well, that's the point of pay. That's the point of paying for a prom ticket.
No, bro.
You just gave. You gave the most hostile reaction. What the heck, Jack?
Yeah, I want my money back. I want a refund.
What? You don't? You haven't even been to the event yet. You can, and I'm not sure that's how. Plus, I'm not sure that's how refunds work.
I'm gonna give prom a 1-star on Yelp.
You're gonna give them a 1-star rating.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like, cause Joshua wasn't there.
That's just
Great
gonna
job,
be that.
Joshua.
Mate. No, but in all honesty, don't be that guy that just inserts a complaint for like the stupidest
No! I need your health bot. Oh, frick.
Oh.
Kill me.
Wait, that was you, James?
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh,
Frick! Oh, I need your remote drop.
I'm coming. Just hold on a second. Alright, there, Medbot. No need to freak out on me or give me a heart attack. I thought we were being attacked.
you were.
But now it's over.
Oh, I see someone. Someone over there.
Hostile over there.
Wait, really?
Yeah, someone's in that building.
We're gonna kill him.
Alright, I guess we're going.
Yeah, we're going.
Oh no.
I see him.
No, drop.
Where are they?
Oh, what the heck?
Where are?
1 HP.
Oh my goodness, they all have level 4. They all have level 4. They all have level 4. Come on, I'm helping you. I'm helping you.
What?
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh man.
This was really positive match.
Oh my gosh. We dropped way too late.
It's okay, we got James on our team. Right, no put downs. Everyone's good. Ah!
Give me stings. Oh, Peacekeeper. Spitfire. And now I wait for people to drop down.
Help me! James, help me! Just finish me! Hurry!
Oh no! Okay.
End him!
3 people! Ah!
Brian!
Oh, I knocked one.
Hurry, get up!
Okay. Oh, I've been juked. I've been juked.
Oh.
Oh!
What?
Holy moly!
Dude, Brian's a god.
Yes.
Just a scrape. 1 second.
Alright, use your Phoenix, kid.
A few moments later.
Okay.
Yay.
Welcome
Yay.
back, guys.
Thank
That was awesome. That was so much
That's so
fun.
awesome. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. That's so much fun.
Ah!
Ah.
Oh, I'm back.
I'm back. Hey, all my stuff. Hey, let's go inside here, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Get loot.
We'll catch up with him, Brian. Chill out.
Helmet here.
Brian, chill
Level
out.
2.
You're level 2, Brian.
Oh.
I want this Lombo DMR.
I want the longbow DMR.
Take this Lombo DMR.
Give me it.
Take it.
Give
Huh.
it to me.
My ult is ready. I'm sliding faster than you are.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
You're cheating.
No, I'm not. How am I cheating? All's fair in a slide race, bro.
All inside this ring.
Who says that? No one says that.
Goodbye, James.
Oh no.
Bye, James.
Oh, there might be something in here. Please let there be more heavy ammo.
Bye, James.
Bye.
Oh, ult
James.
accelerant.
It'd be really funny if Brian died.
Okay, another ult accelerant.
Yeah. I would laugh out loud.
Like, LOL.
Hey, you guys think you're funny, huh? You must think you're so funny.
Yeah.
Ah! 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 Get me out of here! Get me out of here! Get me out of here! Get me out of here!
Becky, you hear something?
Guys, help me! I'm being shot at! Ah!
I guess we should start positioning. For...
Behind me.
I have him twice. Guy on top is hit twice, by the way. Is it his blue shield?
Okay. Oh.
Guy down, guy below, guy below.
I broke one shield. I broke one shield.
Becky, right?
Oh,
Oh,
is
shit.
he not dead? Crap, I shot him so much.
Where they at?
They're right behind this rock. Hey, James, can you pick me up? He's right there. Oh, crap. He's right behind the rock. He's right behind the rock.
Okay. Oh no! Behind us! Behind us! Behind us! Come on. Oh, you kidding me? There's a sniper. There's a sniper over there. There's a sniper. Oh, guy outside. Guy outside. Guy outside.
Lord. Hey, one's down, one's down. This is him. This...
Oh no!
Oh
No.
my-
There was another guy.
Are you kidding me?
Alright.
James, do something.
Guys, do something! I'm being attacked
Kill
here.
him, kill him, kill him. Here, oh, punch him.
Oh, yes, yes.
Get him. Ah,
Are you?
behind me.
Are you serious?
Brian, behind you.
Oh my goodness! Behind me! Behind me! Behind me! There were just so many people.
What
Right, this
happened?
time we're gonna have James choose the location.
Yeah, James, choose a location this time.
James, we always lose when we pick location. Your turn.
I'll pass.
Okay.
Don't you want to win?
No.
Wow. So you play this game just to suffer.
Yeah.
Sounds like something I would do.